If you lack self-confidence, it is primarily you are identifying with the wrong self. If you don't have the spiritual perspective that you are a spiritual being having a human experience, then you're gonna see yourself as you are this body with these weaknesses, with these mental struggles, with these emotional struggles, and that's chaos. Basically, that's recipe for disaster. You cannot have self-confidence. But if you take the perspective that you are a spirit having a human experience, you will quickly understand that spirit is unlimited. Spirit is unlimited potential. Spirit is boundless in knowledge, in abilities. You will realize that maybe you can get things done. That's idea number one. Idea number two, every individual who has ever achieved anything noteworthy has had to work on their self-confidence. It's a learnable skill. It's a skill. It's something you have to learn. You have to retrain your brain to think that you can do things. You have to learn certain triggers and certain mantras to remind yourself that you can do things. And of course, you have to keep in mind that the world is full of great things, and all those great things have been built by individuals like you and me. Those people were not geniuses. They were not special individuals. They were people who accepted their humanity, and they accepted that their spirituality also, and they went ahead and create things in the world. And also, idea number three is that once you've been born in this world, the world really belongs to you. Your life belongs to you. You are as important as any other individual in this on this planet. You hold the same substance, the same capacity, the same respect, the same worthiness to be here. So if you want to go talk to someone about an idea, if you have the perspective that this is your place, this is you, the universe is giving you an idea and you need to go and transfer that to another person, or whether that be talking to a woman or talking to a man or a business partner or a potential client, you are the one to do it. No one is gonna do it for you. You're not a placeholder in this life. You're not holding your place for someone else. No one else is coming and ask you for your position. This is for you. So you own your experience. You own your existence. And idea number three is to know that no matter what happens, so long you are breathing, you can do anything. So long you are breathing, the life of God is within you. So long you can inhale and exhale, the universe is alive in you. You hold the power. You are the chosen one. You are the one unique individual that no one like you has ever existed, and no one like you will ever exist in the future. You are the absolute magnificent one idea in the mind of God. So this life belongs to you. You are it. You are the universe unfolded on itself. You are the universe experiencing itself. You are God's chosen child, son or daughter. You are the chosen one. You are the bearer of good news. So where you might start in reconditioning your mind for self-confidence is to start looking around you and see the people who are doing things, who are speaking things, and to realize that they are no different than you. And for you to realize that sense of worthlessness, that sense of not enoughness that you may have inside, that sense of shame that you have felt at many things already, you look around for you to realize that You probably are the number one critic that you have. We all are. You are the number one critic that you have. You are the person condemning yourself more than anybody else. You are the person being so hard on yourself more than anybody else. You are the person censoring, scrutinizing yourself more than anybody else. So you might want to ease up on yourself. You might want to start loving yourself. You might want to let go and let yourself be. Allow yourself to take shots at life. Allow yourself to go forward. Talk to that person. Put that business plan together. Shoot that video. Write that article. Write that book. Run that business. Go get that job. As soon as you allow yourself to have the freedom to do it, because you stop scrutinizing yourself, you stop being so hard on yourself, you will find that your self-confidence will start flourishing. You are the one. You are the chosen one. So long you're breathing, God is within you. So long you exist, you are the one to accomplish that idea. So long you are here, it's your place. No one is going to come and take your place. So it's up to you to feel that, oh, this is all for me. This is me. The world is mine. The universe is mine. And on top of that, God is waiting for you to take action. God is waiting for you. People are waiting to hear from you. People are waiting to be blessed by you. People are waiting to be touched by you. There are people who need certain products that only the business that's on your mind that you're waiting to create is going to solve their problems. There are future problems that are coming. Only the businesses, only the talents that you have are going to help solve those problems in the future. You have a big responsibility. God counts on you. We count on you. You are more important than you think. You are more worthy than you've been told. This life is for you, baby. Go ahead and do what you need to do. Say what you need to say. Get done what you need to work on. Life is yours. Thank you. I hope these ideas have helped you. I hope that you can come to a place of understanding these things I just talked to you about. Until next time, thank you.